Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to buy returns on Amazon. Now here's a step-by-step guide on how to buy returns on Amazon using the Amazon web app. The first thing you need to do is to open the Amazon web app at amazon.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this homepage. Now from this homepage, head over to the search bar at the top of the screen. In the search bar, all you need to do is to type Amazon warehouse. And select it from the search result. So you could be Amazon warehouse clearance sale, or so Amazon warehouse, and this is Amazon resale. So Amazon warehouse features open box and return items at discounted prices. Alternatively, you can just directly go to Amazon warehouse section by scrolling down to the bottom of the Amazon homepage and click on the Amazon warehouse under the programs and features section. So once you're in the Amazon warehouse, browse through the categories and use the filters to narrow down your search if you want to. Example, it could be electronics or home goods. However, then click on the product to view its details. Let's say I have this product here, so I'm just going to click on it from the warehouse. Once you click on the product to view its details, you can also find the condition and any description of its previous usage. Okay, so it says bought in the past month, so about this item. So just go ahead and read through, and once you read through and it seems like it is something that you like, see all of them. Once you check and you see that it's what you like, go ahead and add to cart and follow through with the prompt to buy. So review the item condition. Actually, Amazon warehouse typically categorizes items as used, and that's like new, and then used very good, used good, and used acceptable. So just go ahead and find the one that works for you or the status. And this is it. So used very good. Over here, just follow the cursor. Used very good. So it could be used like new, used very good, used good, or used acceptable. Read any specific notes regarding the item's conditions to understand what to expect. And once you've selected an item, click on the add to cart button in here. And once you click on that, just go ahead and click on proceed to checkout. Then choose or enter a shipping address in the checkout page. Select your preferred shipping method. Review the order details, including the item, shipping address, and total price. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Choose your payment method and click place your order to complete the purchase. After your order is placed, you'll receive a confirmation email with the details of your purchase. Your returned item will be shipped to the address you provided. I'd like you to note that items in Amazon warehouse may have limited availability and can sell out quickly. So check return policies specific to Amazon warehouse items to ensure you understand any conditions related to returns or refunds. And that's it. You've successfully bought a returned item on Amazon. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.